Okay, it looks like we have a runoff. Number 2 and number 5. Okay, you guys, now you go out there together. And now watch the judges. Remember, the judges are voting. Okay, so judges, are you ready? They're going to do it together. Number 2 and 5, are you ready? Auf geht's. Looks like we have a winner. Okay, you'll never guess who the winner is. This is our youngest winner ever. Number 2! Give him a big hand. Yeah! And we have a ticket also for the runner-up, number 5. So number 2, come on up, claim your prize. Now you can't get a beer, young man. But number 2, you're going to get the next best thing. Come on over here and I'll give you the ticket. Give him a big hand, number 2. Get a soda.